In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of splitting PDF files, using the RecoveryTools PDF Splitter software. To install our PDF splitting tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder containing the PDF files you wish to split, and then click OK. Our tool provides 3 split options. Select the option as per your need. Split into single pages, saves each PDF page as a separate file. Split by odd/even pages, creates separate PDFs for odd and even pages. Split by page range, creates a PDF using selected page numbers. Next, simply click the split button, and select the destination folder for the split PDF to be saved. After selecting the destination folder, the split process will begin. Once the split is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK, and open the destination folder and access the newly split files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.